Got a hacker. Got him good.
Okay, let's see if this guy's a hacker.
Got him good. Got him good. Oh,
Yeah.
head spin major.
Oh my god! How is this supposed to do it? How is he doing? I think
Yes.
this guy's a hacker.
GG bud. Oh, this is my first guy I looked for.
Oh
too.
my!
No,
Oh,
he's actually my second.
this guy's
Oh,
such a hacker.
he just turned him off
Okay.
too. Oh, they go back on.
Oh my god, this is their hacking video.
Let's try to fly by him and see if he can hit me.
He is this.
Yep.
Where is he?
GG bud.
Derek Awesome
Yep.
3 is now a hacker. Okay.
Yep. Oh, dude. Okay,
There
there it goes. I need to show you this video too. I'm gonna upload this right when I'm done.
Oh my god, this Derek Awesome 3 is a hacker. So hacked. So many hacks.
Lol recording. Ooh, I almost died there. Oh, there's some more hacks. What's his name? JR. I need to get his name right when I'm done. JR Dragon Dragger. I don't know how to say it, but this. Let's copy this so I can put it in my video. All right, bye guys.